Pause the video now, guys, and have a look. Okay, try these questions, okay, on fractions. So an introduction to fractions and how they work and how they're written in mathematics. Okay, so pause it, give it a go, and then come back and press play. Okay, question number one, match the fractions. This is what I say, 1/2. Okay, so it's a half, okay, or 1/2. Okay, this is pronounced as 1/3, okay, or a third. And then this is pronounced as 1/4, okay, 1/4, we say, okay. So the line there means a division, okay. So it means 1 divided by 2, okay, and I get what I call a decimal answer. 1 divided by 3, and I get a decimal answer, and then 1 divided by 4, okay. So the line there means division, and the top number of my fraction is what we call the numerator, and the bottom part is what we call the denominator, okay. So a fraction just represents a part of a whole, okay. So let's say I've got a pizza that has 5 slices, and I eat 2 slices, but then I've eaten it or consumed, okay, what we say is 2/5. Okay, that's how fractions work. Okay, so it's the amount taken or the amount used out of the total possible number of pieces there are. Okay, question number 2, match the fractions. This is 1/2, so that pictorially it looks like that. Okay, this is 1/3, and then this is 1/4. Okay, that's question 2 done. Okay, question number 3. Tick the images that show 1/3 shaded. Okay, that's actually going to be this one and this one. The reason why it's not the first one is because they've shaded an uneven amount. Okay, so this green bit here is not the same size here as this bit here. Okay, and nor the same size here, this bit here. Okay, I have to take the same amount here, so like the same chunk that I take out of the circle. Okay, this is not the same size, okay, sector we say here, or segment of the circle compared to this. Okay, okay, so that's why we cannot pick option 1. Question number 4, here are some counters. Ron takes half of the counters. How many counters does Ron take? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of 8 is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Max takes a quarter of the counters. How many counters does Max take? A quarter of 8 means 8 divided by 4, which is 2. Question number 5, Sam says a half is the same as 2/4. Is Sam correct? Yes, he is. Okay. The reason for that is because these are what I call equivalent fractions. Okay. To go from 1/2 to 2/4, okay, I've multiplied the top and bottom of my fraction by the same number. And that's the key for equivalency and equivalent fractions. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So these represent the exact same amount. Okay. So obviously there, sorry, I'm trying to see, it's not very good there. Okay. That is obviously a half there. Okay. And obviously look here, that's also a half. Okay. Because 2/4 can be simplified to a half. Okay, by dividing top and bottom of the fraction by 2, or vice versa. Okay, multiply a half top and bottom by 2. Okay, for equivalency, you are always multiplying or dividing by the same number on the top and bottom. Okay, if it's not the same number top and bottom, then they're no longer equivalent here. So they're no longer like the same size fractions. Okay, question number 6. Here are half of Mo's sweets. How many sweets did Mo have altogether? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If a half equals 6, then double that, and I get 12. Okay, so 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, there's a half equals 6. So to work out 2 halves, which is equal to 1 whole, I'm going to times the number by 2. Okay, a half equals 6. So 1 whole, which is equal to 2 halves, equals 12. Okay, so 1 whole, equals that. Question number 7. Take the images which show 3/4 shaded. That'll be this one. Okay, let's just tick it, and it'll be this one here. Okay, that one's 2/3 this year, which is not the same as here. That one's 2/3, and this one's actually 1/4. Okay, so these two fractions are not equivalent and not the same as 3/4. Okay, of course, we see 3/4 here is actually bigger than obviously 1/4, So yeah, it definitely can't be that. And 2/3 is close to 3/4, but it's not quite the same. Okay, that's it for me today, guys. Guys, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.